Broken links can hurt your SEO, frustrate visitors, and create a poor user experience. Instead of checking every page manually, here's how to find broken links in seconds using the Geekflare Broken Link Checker API. Open the Geekflare API Playground and select Broken Link Checker. Paste a URL like this one, leave proxy country as none, then click Send Request. Within a few seconds, the API scans the website and returns all the broken links, along with their HTTP status codes and the pages where they were found. Let's try another website. Replace it with this link. Click Send Request again, just like before. The API scans the site and reports any broken links instantly. You can use it with virtually any public website. The response includes broken URLs, status codes like 404 and 500, the page containing the broken link, the destination URL. It is perfect for SEO audits, website maintenance, client reports, and automated monitoring. Instead of manually checking links one by one, automate this process with the Geekflare Broken Link Checker API. You can also generate ready-to-use code snippets or integrate it directly into your applications. Try today in the Geekflare API Playground.